This is very important. Okay, first thing is septum. What is now what are present? Septum. What is septum? Oxygenated. Okay. How many chambers are there? Chambers. Four. How many valves? Four. Okay. What are the main blood vessels? Good. Good. Vena cava. So there are four chambers, four valves, four blood vessels, and a septum. Okay. We must know these things. Okay. Let's make a flow sheet diagram. Body. From body it enters to the right side first. Okay. So right atrium, which is above, through vena cava. Okay. From right atrium it enters right ventricle through a valve known as atrioventricular valve, where it's written here, it's written atrioventricular valves. Atrioventricular valve, we also called as tricuspid valve. Okay. Now from right ventricle it goes to lungs through a valve, semilunar valve or pulmonary valve, because it is associated with lungs, and the name of artery is pulmonary artery. Clear? Now from lungs back to the left atrium, again the same thing. The pulmonary vein, from left atrium to left ventricle, semilunar sorry, atrioventricular wall. Any valve that is between the atrium and ventricle is called as atrioventricular, or the second name is bicuspid. You there? Then from left ventricle it enters aorta through semilunar valve, and we call it aortic valve as well, and from aorta it is then supplied to the whole body. So this is all for the transport in